4 years ago, after a memorable experience of visiting Hans Hyson's property in Hahndorp, South Australia, the size of the ghost gum trees were incredible. They were just dwarfing us, so I decided to pastel a small A3 study in anticipation of a larger piece, and that will happen in time. My CRPS symptoms have just kicked off again with the excitement of having a prospect. It's funny and not funny all at the same time, but I use my imagination in an attempt to turn down the volume of my pain. Stay tuned for more I'm useless at this.